Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning program organized by Modern English School, Navada. Myself, Kunal Sharma, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to discuss some problems of exercise 13. This is lecture number first. Okay, and we are going to discuss question number 6 of exercise 13. So we say that we have to find the greatest number that will divide 517 and 815, leaving 1 and 3 as a remainder. Find the greatest number that will divide this, leaving 1 and 3 as remainders. So what we will do in this question, we have to first subtract -1 from first number and 815 and 3 from 1 from 517 and 3 from 815. First subtract it. What you are getting? 516. And here what you are getting? 812. Find the HCF of both. Find the HCF of both and you will get the answer. Okay. Now the next question. Next question is question number 7. Question number 7 says find the greatest number that will divide 37, 56 and 93, leaving 1, 2 and 3 as a remainder. Okay. Leaving 1, 2 and 3 as remainders. Okay. So now what we have to do is, first of all, subtract 1 from 37, 2 from 56 and 3 from 93. So 37 minus 1, 56 minus 2 and 93 minus 3. So here what you will get? 36, 54 and 90. Find the HCF of all this. HCF of all this and you will get the answer. Okay. I think 80. If you find HCF, you will get 18 as well. Okay. So now let's see another problem. Problem number 7. We find the greatest number that will divide 137, 182 and 422, leaving 2 as a remainder in each case. Leaving 2 as a remainder in each case. Remainder in leaving 2 as a remainder in each case. So you have to subtract first 2 from every number and then find the HCF. 137 minus 2, 182 minus 2, okay, and 422 minus 2, okay. So what you are getting here? 137 minus 2 is 135, 180 and 420. So find the HCF of all these three and you will HCF of all these three numbers will be the final answer. Now let's see another problem, question number 8. Question number 8 says that find the smallest number, find the least number that will be divisible by all these 6, 8, 12, 15 and 20. Find the least number or the smallest number that when divided by all these numbers leaves 5 as a remainder. Find the least number when divided by all these 5 numbers 6, 8, 12, 15, 20 will leave 5 as a remainder. First of all, find the LCM of all these. Okay? You have to find LCM of all these by division method. You can divide 2, 4, 2, 3, the 6, 2, 4, the 8, 2, 6, the 12, 15 is not divided, leave as it is, 2, 10. Now, from 2, 3, 2, 3, 15 and 5. Now from 3, 1, 2, 1, 5, 5. Now finally from 5, 1, 2, 1, 1 and 1. Now what is the LCM? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 2. So what is the 2 2 is a 4, 4 3 is a 12, 2 2 is a 4, 3 is a 12, 12 5 is a 60, 62 is a 120. 120. And now you have to add 5 to it. And you will add so the required least number, the required least number when divided by all these, leaving 5 the remainder will be, the required least number will be 125. 120 plus 5 is 125. Now you can verify, divide 6 by 125. 6 2 is a 12 and it is leaving 5 as a remainder. If we divide 8, divide with 8, 8 1 is 8, 8 5 is a 14, also leaving 5. Similarly, you can verify. Now let's see. So this is question number 9. Now let's see question number 10. This was question number 9. Okay. Now let's see question number 10. So in question number 10, okay, find the greatest 6-digit number that is exactly divisible by 27, 45, 60, 72 and 96. In question number 10, we have to find the greatest 6-digit number which is exactly divisible by 27, 45, 60, 72 and 96. First of all, you have to find the LCM of all this. LCM, okay? And whatever the LCM you are getting, divide it by the greatest 6-digit number. This is the greatest 6-digit number. Divide the LCM with this, and whatever remainder you are getting, just subtract that remainder from this. Whatever remainder you are getting, subtract that remainder from the greatest 6-digit number. Then you will get the answer. Okay, student. So your today's homework will be exercise 13, question number 6 to 10. Okay, 6 to 10. Okay, students, solve the homework and thanks for watching the video.